Okay, so welcome back again, guys. So here is this wonderful. And if you are new to my channel, can you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more future updates like this? It's been a while. So in this tutorial, I want us to look at how to create the ZIVPN, the premium for 30 days. Okay, so those of you who don't know this particular VPN, this is how it looks like. This one, and you can get it on Play Store. So when you go to Play Store, so when you come to Play Store, then you search for it. So in the search bar, you type ZIVPN. Okay, you search it out. So there is it. Here it is. So I have it already. Just click on open. You open it. Okay, so after installing it and opening it, let's head towards our desktop. Let's open our browser. Okay, so we are going to, like I said, we are going to learn how to get or create the 30 days file. Okay, let's open our Chrome, Google Chrome. So in the Google Chrome, you type UDP custom, UDP custom. Then you search. You scroll down a little. Choose this particular one, this particular site. Okay, click on it to open. So on their home page, on the top left corner, the three lines over there. This particular, sorry, this particular area, this one. You click on the lines over there. Okay, then you come and select. You click over here, the 30 days UDP service. Okay, then you come and choose 30 days ZIVPN UDP. You click on it. Let's close the adverts. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, then you scroll down small. So here you see where you input your details or your credentials. Okay, so you have the username, you have the password, and you have the access code. So in order to create this account, you have to get the access code. Okay, so first of all, let's type in the username. So the username, it can be anything. So we can use this one info. Okay, then the password, let's use this one 555. Then the access code, when you scroll down small, you see it over here. So get access code. So we click on it. It will open another tab. So let's wait small. So here is the access code BF3. Copy it. Then you go back to the main page. So we are on the main page. Let's type the password again. Then let's paste in the access code. After that, you come and click on I'm not a robot. You click on it to check it out. That's indeed you are not a robot. Then you click on create server. So you wait for some seconds for the account to be created. Good. So the account has been created. And so here we have the server IP, the username, the password, the duration, which is the validation. Then we have to set multiple logins. Okay. So here, yes, the things that you need are the IP address, which is the server IP, the username, and the password. Okay, so let's copy them one by one. Copy the IP address, the username, the password. Okay, and let's go to the the VPN, the ZIVPN. Okay, so in the VPN, you click on the top right corner, the three dots over there. Then you select reset config, this one, reset config, yes. So here you are done resetting, you will come and check UDP, okay, because that is the protocol that you are going to use. Good. After that, you come to the top left corner, the three lines over there. You click on it, then scroll down small, then you choose UDP tunnel settings. Okay, so in this window, you just paste in the this area, you paste in the IP address. This is the IP address. Then here you paste in the password. Okay, so this is the password. Okay, after then you click on what? Apply. Good. So just make sure, but here in Ghana, the MTN is no more working. The MTN UDP is not working. But with the Telecel or other networks, it work. It works. Okay. So if you're in Ghana, the MTN doesn't really work unless you have data. Okay. So after making sure everything is intact, you click on what? Start. Then you come to the log. This is the log side to check whether it is connected. So as you the moment it connects, you see the advert. Advert will pop up, meaning it is what? It is connected. Okay, so this is how simple it is. So this is how to connect or create your 30 days. There's a ZIVPN file. It's very simple. So if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to my channel for more updates like this. Okay.